So here we have a sample question. It says, find the equation of the line. How do we do that? We're going to have to label each piece. You need to know your m, your x, and your y. Notice that this says point. This is not a b. You cannot do shortcut here. You cannot have to do every step here. So step one says, get me m, x, and y. So this already says m, so that's pretty easy. Sometimes they'll use the word slope. Sometimes they'll say m, x. Remember, this is an ordered pair. X, y. X is always first, positive 4. Y is afterwards, negative 4. So that's step one. Step two is remember your formula. Y equals mx plus b. Step three, we have to plug in each of these values in here, but keep this as a variable. So we use parentheses, because I'm going to plug in y, I'm going to plug in an m, I'm going to plug in an x, but I don't know what to plug in for b, because we don't have a y-intercept. Plug in y as negative 4, m as 2, x as positive 4. Once you have this plugged in, simplify. Remember, simplify just means distribute. Get rid of the parentheses. So 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. And over here, distribute. 2 times 4, 8. Once you're done simplifying, now you're solving. Okay, so label variables on this side, constants on this side, and you know that this 8 is a constant, you move it. Opposite of a positive 8 would be a negative 8. So if I do a negative 8 here, you're going to do a negative 8 over here. They cancel out. So negative 4, negative 8, 2 negatives you add. Who wins the tug of war? 8 players win, so that's negative 12. Then we have the b. We said that we're going to use the formula one last time. Remember, we used it twice. When we use it the second time, we're only plugging in for b and m. We cannot plug in x and y because they have to stay letters. So it's going to be y equals, parentheses, because we're going to plug in for m, keep x as a variable, and then plug in what b is. So plug in, the b is going to be a negative 12. Plug in, the m is a 2. And if you want to distribute to clean this up, 1 times 2 is going to be 2x. And then slip in a 1 here, positive 1 times negative 12 is going to be a negative 12 if you want to clean it up like this. Y equals 2x minus 12. Remember, you had to find what b is because you can see that's clearly not the same as this because this is a point. So make sure you use this formula twice. Once to find what the letter b is, and then second to only plug in m and b because all equations need to have y and x for regular equations of lines.